Guys, if you like this type of videos, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and enjoy. Oceanside Harbor. The Oceanside Harbor is a lovely and relaxing place to visit. You'll find about 2 miles of sidewalk to stroll, which will take you around the entire harbor. There are benches and picnic tables to do a little people, boat, and seabird watching. You'll enjoy grabbing a bite to eat or drink at one of the many beautiful harbor dining options. Park for free along the road or in one of the many lots. Mix of free and pay lots. Check map below. Enjoy the expansively beautiful adjacent Oceanside Harbor Beach. Boating. The Oceanside Harbor is a great place to launch your sailboat for high-sea adventure. The harbor also offers whale watching and sport fishing tours, kayak and small boat rentals. Harbor Beach. Bounded by the Oceanside Harbor and Cape Cod-style village on one side, and the Camp Pendleton Marine Base on the other, this long, sandy beach is a perfect place to get away. There is lifeguard coverage at Harbor Beach. Shaded picnic areas include tables, barbecue grills, and restrooms are available throughout. There is also a playground at Harbor Beach. Small Harbor Fishing Pier. The Small Harbor Fishing Pier is open, ideal for family fishing fun. This small fishing pier is located in the very center of the Oceanside Harbor, overlooking the harbor entrance. Catch a variety of local species. Excellent for children. Picnic areas immediately adjacent. To the south in downtown Oceanside, the iconic Oceanside Pier on Pierview Way is not to be missed. Parking at the harbor. The harbor has an abundance of free parking along the road and in certain lots. I would like to thank you for watching my videos. Continue with the beautiful images of this place. Subscribe to my channel. Click like to let me know you liked the video. Comment where else you would like me to make more videos, and share with the people you would like to bring here.